In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deliver a lead magnet with Kit. We'll walk through the most direct way to set this up in the latest Kit interface, so that when someone signs up through your landing page or form, they automatically receive your lead magnet as a download. By the end, you'll have everything configured so your audience gets exactly what you promised, without you needing to send anything manually. First, from your Kit dashboard, look for the main navigation and click on Grow. Under that, choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all of your existing opt-in pages and forms are managed. Take a moment to find the specific page or form that you're using to offer your lead magnet, and then click directly on its name to open the editor. Once that page or form is open, move your attention to the top right toolbar and click on Settings. This is where you control what happens after someone signs up, including how your lead magnet is delivered. Inside the settings area, look over to the left sidebar menu and click on Incentive. The incentive controls are what allow you to send a confirmation and delivery email to new subscribers. Here, you'll see an option labeled Send Incentive Email. Go ahead and check that box. Turning this on means Kit will automatically email your new subscribers after they sign up. Next, click on Edit Email Content. This opens the actual message your subscribers will receive. Focus on the download button because that's how people will access your lead magnet. Customize the button text to match what you're offering. For example, download your guide or get your checklist. When you're happy with the wording, click Save to lock in those email changes. Now, still in the incentive area, find the section that asks, after confirming, what happens. From the options available, select Download. This tells Kit that after someone confirms their subscription, they should immediately be given a file to download, rather than just being redirected to a page. Below that, click Choose a File. This is where you upload your actual lead magnet, whether it's a PDF, a zip file, or another supported format. Make sure the file is final and clearly named, since this is exactly what your subscribers will receive. When the file upload finishes, scroll to the bottom of the menu and click Save. Then, as a final step, look back up to the top right corner of the editor and click Save again. This second save ensures all of your changes to the page or form are fully applied. Once that's done, your lead magnet delivery is set up and ready to go.